Hey guys, so anyway, this is Friday. Today is Friday. It's the 30th, Friday the 30th. It's gonna be the last day of November, and tomorrow is gonna be December. So yeah, I'm going to run some errands. First, I'm going to go to the USPS so I can drop so I can send the phone to my sister, my old phone, the iPhone 6s Plus, to my sister, and I'm gonna do it like the fast shipping so she can get it ASAP. So that's kind of like my birthday gift to her or whatever. And then after that, I'm gonna get some gas because I'm running low on gas, and after that I think I'm gonna go to HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls. And after that I'm gonna probably get a little bit of grocery. I don't know, I haven't slept yet. It's like I woke up around 10 something last night, and now it's 10:28 in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys come with me for today. It's very cold, so I'm wearing a long sleeve and this sweater or whatever, so it's not that cold. It's like 52 degrees. It's cold, but it's not that cold, if you know what I'm saying. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna go drive, and I will talk to you guys later. So I just stopped by the gas station first, because the USPS is just right there, right across. So I'm just might as well just get some gas first, so I don't have to make another round. So yeah. And oh my god, my car is really dusty. I need to vacuum and clean my car as soon as possible, you guys. So okay, I swear you guys, my full tank is so expensive. It's like $42 for a full tank with this car. Like, come on. Anyway, yeah, let's go to USPS. Like hey guys, so I just got the box at the USPS store, because I didn't send the phone yet, because I'm going to buy her phone case and also my sister and brother a phone case. So hopefully it will fit with this little carton box, and then probably later today I will ship it to them, because this is much cheaper than the priority. It costs $40. So I will just do, I think it's 5 to 10 days. Speaking of, that's my sister right there. So anyway, yeah, I'm here at the Terrific Cafe. I'm just gonna grab something to eat because I'm really hungry, you guys, and I haven't ate. Yeah, so I will probably talk to you guys later. Okay guys, I'm just gonna eat shrimp lo mein, fried pork dumplings, shrimp dumplings, and rice. I have my Coke and boba. Hey guys, so I just got done eating, and it was so good. The food was so good. Yeah, so I didn't eat all of the food that I showed it to you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna give this, I'll eat this later, or I'll let my me and my husband will eat it later, because he's in the house sleeping. He's really tired. He just got a fork. And I got the coffee milk tea. Really love that. Where is the straw? Can I get the straw? Oh. Anyway, I'm going to HomeGoods and Marshalls. Well, I'm going to Marshalls first, because it's just right here in the same building where I ate. So yeah, after that I will be checking HomeGoods, and I'm gonna try to buy my sister, my older sister, my younger sister, and my brother a cover case, because my brother got a new, not new, but he got a iPhone 6s Plus, the same as my sister. And he my younger sister, she got the iPhone 5, and this phone is I will be giving to my sister, so I'm gonna buy like probably a screen protector and a phone case. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so they have like skincare at Marshalls as well. I need makeup and skincare because I have a bunch at the house. So here's their makeup. Ooh, it's like razors. And they also have makeup bags and like brushes. So guys, they got beanies. I'm actually looking for a beanie. This one's cute. It's $14. One is nice. She got black. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is like the beanie. You got wallets as well. Some tights. I'm gonna get these for like you know, apple, so I can put like our fruits. So, and it's rose gold, and it's only, how much is this? Focus. Oh my god, my camera. $5.99. I don't know why it's not focusing. Yeah, $5.99. They do have that one right there, but I really don't like it, so I'm just gonna get this one. So super nice and basic. And they have, oh my god, you guys, look at this, like a cup. You can put your like cup. This is so cute. They have like wood. Oh, they have black, of course. So it's kind of overwhelming when you come in here in Marshalls. Ooh, look at this. Hey guys, do you think I should get like a lunch bag for when I go to work? They have a bunch of lunch bags. I don't know what to get. They have this one. They have some cute lunch bag. This one's cute. And this one is also cute. So I can put my lunch or like dinner when I go to work. Oh, this one's nice. Oh, and it comes with it Tupperware. Let me check this out. Oh, it's only $12.99. Guys, so totally, I'll get it. So, I guess they also have a bunch of containers. Ouch. Like a lot of containers. Hey guys, so I'm here at HomeGoods. I'm looking for like something to put in our bathroom so I can organize our bathroom. Like I can put like my skincare and like some of my soap and my husband's soap. So you guys, look at this tree. I really like that, but it's way too big. Like, hold on. It's $19. $99. I'm super sleepy, but it's $99. So by the way guys, I am going to get these at my bathroom. Yes, I'm just carrying this one, and this is $16.99. So yeah, they really have a lot of nice stuff here in Home Goods, and it's super overwhelming once you come in here, because they just have so much stuff and you don't know what to get. Look at this. It's a nice fur white. Then ooh, look at that green stuff. Ooh. Is this real? Oh, it's fake. Everything is fake nowadays, so. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm done at Home Goods. So now that is it for today, because I am super sleepy, you guys. Like, I just want to go home and like show to you guys what I got, and take my makeup off and just go to sleep, because I haven't sleep for like yesterday at 10 p.m. So like I've been up for the most couple of hours now. So yeah, I'm gonna drive home. I'm gonna drive home. So it's sunny. Can you guys see me? But yeah, I'm gonna drive home and just to get some rest, because I am very, very sleepy. And just so I literally just got home, and I'm just gonna show you what I got at Marshalls. So I got these rose gold, kind of like, I don't know what's the name of this, but I'm gonna be using this for like apples, oranges, like bananas, like in a counter, not in a counter, but like in the center of the island. So I can put some fruits in here, and it's just so pretty because it's rose gold. And this is $5.99. It's like almost $6. So anyway, and next one is this is the trademark wooden tray, and it's just black. I will be putting this in in the side of my bed, so I can put like my perfumes and some of my lotions and some other stuff. So it's just nice. It's just like nice and black, and it's like wood. And this one is $9.99. So yeah. And the next one, oh my god, you guys, I found this Anastasia blush trio at Marshalls, and I've been buying, I do have a blush trio, and I've been buying that at whatchamacallit, Ulta, and I didn't know that they have this blush, and I don't know if this is legit, I don't know, but this is the shade Peachy Love. So that's how it looks like, and this is $10.99, and I forgot what I paid for my 2 blush trios, but wow, I didn't know that. But yeah, look at the packaging, it's so nice. So I'll just throw that away because I'm gonna throw some trash later on. So next stop is Home Goods. And oh yeah, the one thing that I got from the two things I got from Home Goods is this one. It's kind of like a tray, like a pink tray, but okay, what is this? I don't know what this is called, but it looks like this, because I will be using this to organize our bathroom stuff, so I can put, like, you know, my stuff, just to organize it at the bathroom. But this is how it looks like. You got 3 and it's $6.99. So that's that. And then next one, oh, is this is the one at Marshalls. Forgot about this guy. My lunch pack. So this is $12.99. This is the Fit and Fresh. I just really like it because I don't have to carry a big bag to put like my lunch, like if I go to work, because I work 12 hours. So I'm gonna need like my breakfast, lunch, or like dinner, like 3 foods or whatever. So this is really good. That compartment over there, and get a free container. So that's really good. And I don't know what this is. Oh, it's an ice pack. Wow, that's nice. And it's only $13, $12.99, and it's just cute like that. So that's that. And then next one is this I don't know what's the name of this, but it's kind of like this, like blazer, and it's like this. It's not giving any justice of this thing, but look like that. And this was on a clearance, and this is $10. Only paid $10 for this one. The original price was $25, and now I'm just paying for like $10. So that's really a good deal. We love a good deal. So that is that. And next one is, this was not on sale, but it's okay. Wait, this is small? Wait, that's what, wait. Oh shoot. But anyway, this is kind of like a coat. Like this. It has that fur, fake fur. It's not real. Like a jacket, and this cost $29. So it's black. I really don't like this one because look at this, the shed. You guys can't even see, but oh, I don't like this. Might just take it off, but yeah, that is that. And then I think, wait a minute, let me just double check everything. Yeah, that is it for today's haul and like vlog, what you call that. But anyway, yeah, so I was there, and I've been trying to find my sister, like I said, the case, but they don't really have anything. So I'm gonna just try to find it tomorrow, if I can. So tomorrow, so I can just like send it to her. So this is gonna be like the box, and I'll put the phone in the cases and everything, like the accessories, like the headphones and the charger. So that is it for today's vlog, you guys. I am going to take my makeup off and just relax and just probably go to sleep because I'm so tired. So hope you like this vlog. So yeah, that is it. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.